What's up, squeegee slingers and water-fed pole wiggling wagglers, and welcome back to the Tradman Academy YouTube channel. Today we're looking at just how easy it is to add a brand new customer using Squeegee App to your window cleaning round and work list. So this customer in particular we're going to deal with, I've heard through the grapevine, she can be a little bit difficult to deal with, but hopefully using Squeegee App will help us to encourage her. We're a good professional company. We're going to make life nice and easy and smooth for her as a customer. So let's get on with it. Right then folks, I'm here at the customer's door, so I'm going to give the door a knock, see who comes to the door. Hopefully it's the lady in question, and hopefully by using Squeegee App then we'll get her onto the system. We'll get her on Go Cardless as well, so we can take direct debit payments and make the whole experience nice and smooth and professional. So let's go and knock the door.
Yes.
Hello there, is that Mrs. Smith?
It is Mrs. Smith.
Nice to meet you, Mrs. Smith. I'm Pete Mackay, the window cleaner. Very nice to meet you. So I'm here just to do the quotation for you and hopefully get your windows done for you today. How's that sound?
That sounds good, yes.
Excellent.
Okay.
No problem at all. Well, I'll go and have a look then.
Come on.
Right then, Mrs. Smith, I've had a look around your property. Very nice house, may I say.
2 windows, that's all I've got.
2 windows, yes.
Windows.
Well, yes, there's a little bit more than that. But have you had a professional service at all before?
Oh, I have.
Have
I
you?
have. And you know what? He called at every time of the day and night looking for his money. That
crumbs.
window cleaner, he was such a... You're not going to do that, are you? You're not going to call asking for your money all day, times, days and night, weekends in it.
Yeah, well, I'm sorry you've had that experience, but certainly with Mackay Window Cleaning Services, all of our customers use a direct debit service. So there's really no need at all to knock on your door, collect money or anything like that.
Oh.
So what we do is, once we've got you signed up here on Squeegee App,
Yes.
this is a software that we use, we actually use another system called Go Cardless. So
Go Cardless.
Go Cardless, there's a lot of businesses these days use it. So it's very simple. We just send you an invitation to it via email or text, whatever you prefer.
Okay.
And then once all your details will be filled in, because we'll do that now for you, all you do is you pop in your bank details at the bottom of the screen, and then that's you signed up. You don't need to come to the door to pay or anything like that.
Oh, okay. That sounds good.
Yeah,
yes.
okay.
I don't have to see you, no?
Not if you don't want to.
Okay, that's fine.
So, and you'll always get an invoice as well, and it'll come through electronically, so you can keep that for your books as well. So you'll always know when we've done the windows, because you'll get an invoice come through
I like
as well.
that. On my phone?
Yes, it'll come through your phone if that's
my
what you
email.
prefer. Or email,
Yes.
wherever you prefer, Mrs. Smith.
I do.
No problem at all. So what I'll do is I'll add you to the system now. It
Yes.
only just takes a couple of minutes.
Okay.
So just go on to here. So pop your name in. Is just Mrs. Smith okay?
Mrs. Smith is fine.
Okay.
Smith is spelt S-M-I-T-H.
Well, thank you. I've
You're
got that.
welcome.
Thank you very much. And we've got the address here. We'll put in, it was number 123
Yes.
Park Close.
Yes. Do you know how to spell Park Close?
Yes, we've got that. Thank you very much. That's super. So we've got that. Your email or phone number, what would you prefer? Is it
Yes.
email?
It's Mrs. Smith.
Mrs. Smith?
Smith is spelled S-M-I-T-H
Yep, got that.
at hotmail.com.
At hotmail.com.
Yes.
No problem at all. Just pop that in now.
You know how to spell Hotmail, do you?
Yep, we're all good there. Thank you very much,
Yeah,
Mrs. Smith.
no
I appreciate
problem.
that. So we've got your email there. If you ever want to let us know if you prefer
Yeah.
text, just ping us an email with your number. We can always add that to the system if you prefer. But if you do like emails, we'll just get that set up for you now. Okay. Is there any other things that we maybe need to know? Because we can add that to the notes as well. So is there
Yes.
anything we need to know? Have you got maybe a dog that comes out?
I have a
Okay.
really vicious dog.
A vicious dog, okay.
To keep all of those salespersons off my property.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
no problem at all. Well, what we can actually do
It's
is...
my chihuahua called Fluffy.
Oh, I see. Well, actually, I'm a big dog fan myself.
Okay.
So all going well, what we'll do is we'll send you a notification via
Sure.
email the night before we're due. That's all done electronically and
Okay.
automated as well. So you'll know the day before when we're coming,
Yes.
so you'll know when to expect us. And we
That's
always
good,
make
thank
sure
you.
the gates are closed for you as well on the way out.
Because
So
we have to keep my vicious
yes, we
chihuahua
don't want
in.
Fluffy terrorising the
No,
town. Okay, righty-ho, so we've got that, that's fine. Let's see, scroll down here, your active customer, save, no problem at all. So we're just on, this is basically each customer has their own account. So
Yes.
this is just me setting up yours now.
Thank you.
So I'll just add that as a window cleaning job for you. So I click on create a job. Now, would you like that once a month, Mrs. Smith?
Yes, please.
Okay, no problem at all. That's fine. We'll say it's a repeating job, and that's once per month. And we'll say start today. How's today sound? Well, we'll get that done for you
Yes,
today.
that's great. Thank you.
So we've got that. It's every month. Done. Duration. Select the round. We can pop that on later. That's fine. Perfect. And we've got a price here as well. So the price for your windows is just £25, and that's once a month. So that's all your frames, panes, sills, doors, the whole lot gets cleaned. And yeah, and that's once a month for you. So just pop that in now for you. Okay. So that's the window clean. External windows. There we are. And 25. Save. There we are. Okay, so we've got an external window cleaning service, £25, and we shall save that. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll send that email to you just now for Go Cardless. So by the time we've actually finished the windows, you'll have that email in your inbox with the invitation to Go Cardless. Just sign up on that, like I say, pop in your bank details down the bottom, and that's you ready to go from then on.
Yes,
okay, so
perfect,
I'll send
thank
that
you.
through now. So automatic payment method, Go Cardless, and we'll get that sent across to you now. Okay,
Yes.
no problem at all. Is there anything else, any questions at all before
No,
we get cracking?
You can leave now. That's perfect. Thank
Okay,
you.
thank you ever so much for your time, Mrs. Smith.
Goodbye.
If you need us at all, give us a
Okay.
shout. Okay, bye for
Goodbye.
now. Well then folks, so that is Mrs. Smith. She's all signed up on Go Cardless and using Squeegee App. It's all integrated. That made the whole experience nice and easily done for her. So hopefully Mrs. Smith is happy. We'll find out. But it was all nice and smooth, a good experience hopefully for her there. And I'm ready to get going. Everything's saved. I don't need to remember anything. And I'm going to get my tools out and get cracking. So I'll leave the link to Squeegee App in the description below. Check that out. If you've got any questions at all, I'll leave the contact details for Squeegee App as well, and get in touch as well via the comment section down below, folks, if you've got any questions you'd like to ask myself. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video, found that useful. Click like, subscribe and share it, and really appreciate that. And until next time, you take care, be good, and bye for now.
Oh, I didn't hire a stripper. Go away.